We've been talking a lot about drinking seasonally, but it's good to have some fun cocktails that you can make regardless of what's in season. This next one is so easy, but believe me, it's greater than the sum of its parts. It's called a Canchánchara, and these are real Canchánchara cups from Cuba. That's where the drink is from. Literally, to make it, it's just lime juice. And then we have some honey. You don't have to measure, but I'm gonna measure so you can see how much I'm putting in. It's a lot of honey, but it's good. Honey, we're making it right in the glass we're going to drink it out of. I'm making 2 because I share. In goes our honey, and want to give it a good stir before we add the rest of our things. And then rounding it out, the most important ingredient, the rum. Boom. And now we are going to top it off with some, this is not going to explode. That was close. But look at me, dry. Take that, bottled. All right, about 2 ounces, or these cups, like I said, are made for this drink. So you're just topping it up with the sparkling water, and that's like the exact amount that you need. Now we're gonna add some ice. And that's it, you guys. You're gonna be wondering why you haven't done this simple but delicious cocktail your whole life, I'm telling you. This drink is so simple. It's just citrus, honey, rum, and a bit of seltzer water. And you can make it year round because you probably have all those things in your kitchen all the time. And actually, you can get really creative with it as well. One time in Cuba, we had it inside a grapefruit, meaning they took a grapefruit, cut a hole out top, and then stabbed it, it's violent, and used the straw to get the juices and the grapefruit going, squeezed the honey right inside, poured the rum on top, and I'm telling you, it was amazing. So definitely make this at home any time of the year. Cheers.